Hello students! In the previous session, we learned how to format text to make our presentation look attractive. We can also add visuals to our presentations to make them better. In reference to content, we can insert images in our presentation to make it more appealing. So to add an image, click on the Insert tab, then select Picture. Once this option is clicked, you can browse the images saved on your computer and pick the option you like. Click the Insert option and the image gets added on the slide. When an image is added on the slide, the Format menu gets automatically highlighted on the menu bar. This option helps to select different styles of image formatting, like changing borders and adding border colors and effects to the image border. You can try out some options of border formatting for the image as well. The transition of the slides refers to applying the animation effect on slides. This effect can be seen when one slide moves on to another slide during the presentation. They make the presentation appear interactive and engaging. The Transition tab gives the option to apply transition effects. Let's try out the effects and notice the changes. There are two ways of applying transition effects to a slide. 1. If one transition effect is chosen, it will by default apply to only the current slide. It is called the single slide effect. Second, in order to apply the same transition to all slides of the presentation, you can click on the Apply to All option that is seen on the right side of the menu. We can also apply a timer to a slide transition, which helps us to keep the transition for the required time. There are two ways of setting the timer for a slide transition. One, on a mouse click. This option works when the user chooses to shift to another slide after he or she clicks the mouse or any key on the keyboard. This means that the slide will remain as it is until any action is taken by the user or the presenter. Second, automatically, after. If this option is selected, one can choose the timing for the current slide to be displayed on the presentation. The next slide will overlap with the current slide after the selected time is finished. After applying the transition effect, press on the preview option on the left side of the transition tab, which helps to preview the slide transition effect. It helps the user to get an idea of how the slide will look during the presentation. So, that's all for this session. Thank you.